when you talk about an incident, talk about it, then condemn the police. But do not connect it with due process and human rights. Magbuka kang gago sa harap ng Pilipino. You know why I got this rating? I could not be brighter than you. And my work is not more important, or your vocation is not less than mine. But when you talk in public, carry the proper message. Kaya mag-itito kayo, binibombahan kasi ako ninyo ng ganon. Sabihin ng mga tao, tama yan. Tama yan si Duterte. Kasi nangyayari. Kayo parang fruit jump, pag ganon-ganon. Pag na may namatay dyan ng maraming massacre, na rape mga bata, hindi kayo umiimik. Maya-maya pagdating ng mga... Pagdating nitong mga Western expert ko, no, you give them so much premium and importance. Puta, saan bang utak ninyo eh? Bakit kayo believe dyan sa puti? Tingnan mo ang puti. Panahon ni Obama. Una yung spokesman ng State Department. Kala mo sino? Kala na mas bright pa sila sa akin. Then the staff of the President, then Obama. Would like to remind Secretary that the policy of the CNN. Yari ako. Pagdating ni Trump, oh yes, Mr. President, I've been expecting your call. You're doing it all right. I'm doing the dead and this goddamn button. Uwi na ako. So, that's the value of the country that you value. Ambivalent. Parang electric fan. Okay dito, o hindi na okay. It's vacillating. Tapos